we will use here. Obviously the length formula 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. By using this formula we know the object distance, focal length, so we can find the distance of the image, and also the formula of magnification, that is it is means the given form. By using the formula it is h upon h dash, and also if we are taking it is in the form of v and u, it will be like this, it will be v upon u here. So let us start solving. So solution, rewrite the length formula 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Let us substitute the values. We don't know the v, so we can write 1 upon f plus 1 upon u. Here the focal length was 10, we are taking it as positive, plus the object distance was given as 25, so definitely it is negative. So 1 upon v you will get it as, see, after cross multiplication it will be minus 25 plus 10 upon minus 10 into 25. Or you can do this like this also, 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 25. So on solving you will get 25 minus 10, and the minus sign from the denominator will disappear, so that you need to cancel minus and minus again and again. So this is a simple way. So 1 upon v you will get it as, it will be 15 upon 250. So on calculation you will get the value of v as definitely positive, so it will be 16.66 centimeter. Why it is positive? Because image is formed on the right hand side of the lens, so that's why it is positive. Now let us find magnification. For the magnification we will write that this in the form of v and u. So v is 16.66 upon u is minus 25. So magnification you will get negative here, it will be minus 0.66. Now you can see we got the negative value of magnification, and also it is less than 1. That means numerator is less than the denominator. That means actually the size of the image that we will get here will be lesser than the size of the object. So let us find out the size here. Suppose, okay, we will do here, m is also h dash upon h, and we have to find h dash. So h dash will be m into h. So h dash is equal to, m is minus 0.66 and u is here, means the size of the object which was given as 5 centimeter. So it was multiplied by 5. So h dash after multiplication you will get it as minus 3.3 centimeter. So as I explained you already, you can see my object size is 5 centimeter and my image size is 3.3 centimeter and it is negative. That means image is formed below x-axis and also it is smaller than the object. So here you will write it as the negative value of the image height indicates that image is inverted. Obviously it is formed on the different sides, so it is real, inverted and diminished image. So this you will mention about the nature of the image, and if you want you can write the you can draw the ray diagram also. Here if I will draw it for you, this would be, here will be your lens, principal axis, foci and center of curvatures, like this. Suppose I am placing the object here, you will find that image will be formed at the point between means here somewhere you will get the image, and definitely it will be smaller in size. So if you want, you can show the distances also like this. This is U, which is 25. Then this will be V here. V we calculated as 16.66. And also here 5 centimeter and here 3.3 centimeter. So like this you can draw the ray diagram here and name it accordingly. Next is 11th question. It is given that a concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. How far is the object placed from the lens? Draw the ray diagram. This is very simple example. You have a concave lens of focal length 15 and image is formed at a distance 10 centimeter from the lens. So suppose this is the concave lens. This is the principal axis. We have two foci here. Two centers of curvature. Now you know that for the concave lens, image is formed on the same side of the mirror. So that's why the distance which is given, let us write down the data here. Suppose this is the object, light will fall and it will come from the focus here like this, and again the light will travel through the origin of the lens here, suppose like this. So, and obviously it is going through origin, it will get back reflected. So you can see here you will get the image. So suppose this is AB, here you will get A dash, B dash. The image is erect but it will be smaller in size. So you can see on the left hand side we are getting the image. So the distance of the image, here we have to take it negative. So it is given as it is 10 centimeter. So it will be minus 10 centimeter. Again the focal length is given and you can see the ray is travelling to the focus which lie on the left hand side of the mirror of the lens. So it will be also negative. So it will be minus 15 centimeter. Now here we have to find object distance, that is U here we have to find, and the ray diagram we drawn already. So let us write down the formula. Obviously we will use the lens formula. 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. So let's start solving. Rewrite the formula. So we want U, So let us interchange the side accordingly. So you will get it as 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon f. Means I will take 1 upon u on right hand side, 1 upon f will come here, so it will get negative, and this negative after going here will become positive, and I will interchange the side accordingly. So you will get 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon f. So let us substitute the values. So 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon v is minus 10 minus 1 upon, you can see f is minus 15 here. So 1 upon u will be minus 1 upon 10. This minus I will write upward, and this minus minus will become plus. So you will get 1 upon 15. So 1 upon u is equal to minus 15 plus 10 upon 150. So after calculation it will be minus 5 upon 150. So on calculating you will get the answer as minus 30 centimeter. So therefore you will write it as object distance is minus 30 centimeter. Or you can also write object is placed at a distance 30 centimeter from the on the left hand side of the lens. So this is the answer. Next is 12th question. It is an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Find position and nature of the image. So it is, we have convex mirror. Suppose this is the principal axis. It is given that object is placed at a distance 10 centimeter from the convex mirror. And suppose here is the object at u is equal to 10 centimeter. It is given that focal length is also 15 centimeter. Now if you remember, in the case of convex mirror, image is formed on the right hand side of the mirror, and also it is actually the real and it is real image, and also it is inverted. So let us see how we will solve this example. Suppose this is the light falling and it will pass from this focus like this, suppose. So let us write down data here. Distance is given, so it will be minus because we are placing our object here. Then you will see focal length is also given, so it will be plus because the ray appears to be reflected from the focus which is on the right hand side. So it will be plus 15 centimeter. Then we have to find distance of the object image formed, and formula that we will use, it will be again the mirror formula, 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Now let us start solving. So solution, rewrite the formula, 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. So v we have to find here. So 1 upon v will be 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. So let us substitute the values. So 1 upon v is equal to, my f is plus 15 minus u is minus 10. So actually 1 upon v will be 1 upon 15 This minus minus will become plus. So 1 upon 10. So 1 upon V will be 10 ones are 10, 15 ones are 15. So 25 upon 15 tens are 150. So on division you will get the value of V as 6 centimeter. So you can see the value of image, means distance of image is 6 centimeter. That means we are getting image formation on right hand side of the mirror. So now also we have to tell the nature of the image. So we will find magnification here. So let us write the formula of magnification. Magnification is h dash upon h, where h is the size of the image upon size of the object, but we don't know here, so we can use this formula, minus of V upon U. We know V, we know U. So M is equal to minus V upon U, that we will use here. So M is minus of V is 6 and U was minus 10. So magnification you will get it as plus 0.6. That you can see here. So we will see that the positive value of magnification indicates that image formed is virtual. Virtual means it is not the real image and it is erect. It is straight image. So lastly you will mention that means the image formed in this case is actually the virtual and erect image, and it is obtained at a distance of 6 centimeter from the mirror on the right hand side. So this is your answer. Next is 13th question. It is the magnification produced by a plane mirror is +1. What does this mean? This is a very simple question. Magnification is actually, size of the image or height of the image upon height of the object. So let us draw here. Here suppose this is my plane mirror. Like this. You have object and you will find that same size image is formed, but it is beyond the mirror, it is inside the mirror. So you can see magnification, that is h dash upon h is 1, right? So that means h dash is equal to h, and also it is +1. That means that both the image, means both the object and image are lying perpendicular on the x-axis, means they are moving in the plus axis of y direction. So that means they both are erect and both are equal in size. So you will mention that the magnification produced by mirror is +1. It shows us that image formed by the plane mirror is the same size as that of the object, and positive sign shows us that image formed is virtual and also it is erect. So this will be the answer.
No more spending your energy and money on coaching classes or missing classes for rain, for rally and any other nonsense. Subjects covered by multiple teachers with repeat telecasts. Doubts, concepts, applications, no problem. All explained through great and significant animation. So sit back comfortably in your home and watch Study Spectrum TV channel.
Next is question number 14. It is an object 5 cm in length is placed at a distance of 20 cm in front of a convex mirror of radius of a curvature is 30 cm. Find the position of the image, its nature and its size. So let us start solving. Here you can see we have a convex mirror. So let us draw a convex mirror here. Like this. It is given that object of length 5 cm. So that means we have given the size of the object and it is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter. So this distance is 20 centimeter here, and again we have to find the position of the image, that means the distance of the image from the mirror and its nature and size. So let us write down the data here. Object is erect, means it is placed on x-axis, so h will be obviously plus, so it is 5 centimeter. Then distance of object, that is u, is given here, so it will be negative. Obviously we are measuring on left hand side. Then radius of curvature is given, it is 30 centimeter. So as you know, focal length is half of the radius of the curvature, so it will be 30 upon 2. But again here we have to consider plus minus sign. As you know, for a convex lens, convex mirror, the image most probably forms on the right hand side, so it will be plus 15 centimeter. We are measuring the focal length on right hand side, so it will be plus 15 centimeter. Then we have to find distance of the image and its nature. So formula that we will use here, the mirror formula, 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Also we need the formula of magnification in order to find the nature and size of the image. So it is h dash upon h, also it is minus of v upon u. So let us start solving. So solution, rewrite the mirror formula, 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Now we have to find v, so we will write 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. So 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon 15 minus 1 upon minus of 20. So 1 upon v is equal to this minus will become plus. So 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 20. So I am writing it directly. You will do the calculation. 20 ones are 20 and then 15 ones are 15. So it will be 35 upon 300. So 35 upon 300 on calculation, you will get the distance as, it will be 8.57 centimeter. So you can see again it is a positive distance, that means image is formed on the right hand side of the lens. So now let us do it for magnification in order to find the nature of the image. So m is equal to, now we don't know m as well as h dash, so that's why I will use the formula in the form of v and u, because now we know v and u is already given. So minus v upon u, so m is equal to minus of, it is 8.57 upon minus of u is 20. So you can see you will get the positive value of magnification. So on division you will get it as 0.428. So now you can see my magnification is positive and also it is less than 1. That means size of the image will be smaller than the size of the object, definitely, because numerator will have lesser value. That's why we are getting answer in 0 point something. So let us find the size of the image. So h dash will be m into h. Now we know h and now we know m. H is already given. So h dash will be, m is 0.428 and h was 5. So on multiplication you will get h dash as plus 2.14. Now you can see magnification is also positive and h dash is also positive. So you have to mention about the nature of the image that you will write. I am not writing here, but you have to mention the positive value of the image height and the positive value of the magnification shows that image formed is a virtual image and it will be of smaller size that of the object, and also we will write that the image formed is smaller, virtual, and definitely it is erect. Means it is a straight image, it is not inverted image. So this is the answer. Now let us do question number 15. It is an object of size 7 cm is placed at a 27 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 18 cm. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that a sharp focused image can be obtained? Find the size and nature of the image. So here we have a concave mirror like this. For this image, object is placed somewhere here. Suppose distance is 27 centimeter and focal height of the object is also given. So it is 7 centimeter, and accordingly we have to find the size of the image, the distance of the image, and nature of the image. So let us write data. U will be negative since it is from left hand side. Then here height of the object is given, so it is 7 centimeter. Focal length is also given. So as you know, for a concave mirror, image is obtained on left hand side. So focus which matters is focus from left hand side. So it is minus 18 centimeter. Now we have to find again V here and also H dash, that is size of the image. So let us write down the formula. Two formula we will use. One, the mirror formula, 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F, and again the formula of magnification, H dash upon H is equal to minus of V upon U. So let us start solving. Here rewrite the formula, mirror formula, 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Now we have to find V. So 1 upon V will be 1 upon F minus 1 upon U. So 1 upon V is equal to F is minus 18 minus U is also minus 27. So 1 upon V will be, you can see it will be minus 1 upon 18. This minus minus will become plus. So 1 upon 27. So after cross multiplication, you will get the value as minus of 1 upon 54. So B will be minus 54 centimeter. So this is the value of distance of the object from the mirror. So now let us find out the magnification. So M, now we will use the second quantity of magnification, that is minus V upon U, since we don't know H dash here. So let us substitute values. Minus 54, this minus is already there and answer is minus. So it is actually minus of minus 54 like this upon the value of U. Again it is negative, so minus 27. So you can see we have 3 minus sign. So 2 will cancel and you will get after dividing. It is very simple. 27 ones are 27, 27 twos are 54. So your answer is minus 2. Now you can see the magnification we got has negative value. So let us find out H dash here. So H dash upon H. So from this formula, H dash will be M into H. So M is minus 2 and H is 7. Here you can see. So you will get your answer as 7 to the, it is minus 14 centimeter. Now you can see the images of almost double value. So you will write, we got the distance of the image, the magnification, and also the size of the image. So lastly, you will mention that since both the magnification and height of the image has negative value, that means image formed is virtual. It will be inverted image, and also it is not erect image, that means it is inverted image, and it is larger in size. It is almost double the size of the object. So this will mention you in words. Next question is question number 16. It is, find the focal length of a lens power minus 2 diopter. What type of lens is this? It is very simple. Here power is given and it is minus 2. So I will solve this directly. As you know, power is 1 upon f. So focal length will be 1 upon p. So focal length you will get 1 upon minus 2. So it will be, on calculation, minus 0.5 centimeter. Now you can see, since the focal length is negative, that means it is a concave lens which has negative focal length. So you will write, so this is the concave lens. This is the answer. Then yes, actually here the power was given in the form of diopter. So after reversing, according to the formula of diopter, diopter is equal to inverse of meter. So actually here focal length that you will get actually that will be in the form of meter instead of centimeter. So this will be minus 0.5 meter. So it is the focal length of concave lens since it has negative value. So we will mention that it is a concave lens. Now let us solve question number 17. It is, a doctor has prescribed a corrective lens of power plus 1.5 diopter. Find the focal length of the lens. Is the prescribed lens diverging or converging? This is similar example, very simple. Again power is given plus it is 1.5 diopter. So similarly we will find focal length. As you know, P is equal to 1 upon F. So 1 upon means F is equal to 1 upon P. So F will be 1 upon 1.5. So F you will get here, it will be 0.66 meter. So now you can see this is of plus value, and the focal length which has the plus value is a convex lens. So, and convex lenses are converging lenses and the concave lenses are diverging lenses. So that's why we will write, it is a convex lens, that is a converging lens. So in this way we complete our chapter along with problems. So all the best.